All right, welcome back. US Bancorp shares having their best year in more than a decade. And bullish options traders, well, they see those gains continuing into the new year. Jon and Pete Najarian have that and more in unusual activity. Doc, you're up first.
All right, Scott, USB, you're exactly right. Nice run there for the year. Outperformance in this one, not just market performance. But with the stock down 1.5% roughly today, they came in and said, let's buy some upside calls. Which ones? Take a look right here. They're out there buying January 60-50 calls. A little bit of a pop to the upside. Maybe we get a fast melt up. I bought these. I'll be in these probably 2 weeks, Scott.
Minneapolis company.
There you go. Second one, Micron. As we said, top of the show, semis, even Morgan Stanley finally saying, okay, at least in line. Earnings tonight after the bell. What happened? Somebody stepped in ahead of the earnings tonight and bought 9,500 of the out-of-the-money calls. December 56 calls, Scott. That's a bit of a jump. I'm with them. It's a 60-cent shot, I think, or something like that. I'll probably be in these through Friday. I'm going to ride them through the earnings tonight. Quick update on MELCO.
Weiss says it wasn't him.
It might have been Weiss.
No, it wasn't.
Weiss or Tepper. It could have been Tepper.
I bought the stock, but not a full position because of earnings tonight.
Okay. All right.
Also, MELCO, MELCO. We talked about it last Thursday. President Xi Jinping over there in Macau talking about how basically they're going to continue this trend of positive growth there, and shares are up today. These options, bang, over 100%.
All right, Scott, I got two of them real quick for you. I got big lots. That's where we're going to start. We've got some buyers in here. Now, they're expecting to see this stock maybe regain where it once was back here because they're going out to January buying the January 32.5 calls. Very inexpensive, trading around 35, 40 cents. So I like what we're seeing there. Just a couple of thousand of those bought. I like that, though. There's a name that we don't see very often. So this is an unusual option activity we're seeing here. Next, I got a quick one, Cree. Now, Cree is another one of these names that doesn't come up for us all the time, but it's a great name, and we like seeing it. By the way, stock was trading below this level, a little bit below this level, but they are aggressively buying. Now, they're buying for this week, so this stock has really got to move. These are the 47s. They're already starting to perk themselves into the money. They bought these fairly inexpensively. They started off with about 2,500. Now you can see about 4,000 of these. That's just this week, so obviously by Friday, either they work or they don't. Now I've got one that didn't necessarily work, but LUCKIN. I'm going to give you a quick update. The stock itself actually moved to the upside. Problem is, in LUCKIN, as the stock moved to the upside when we first flagged this one, it's moved enough to the upside, but the problem is those options are going to be expiring this weekend. The problem with that is we're starting to lose time, so time decay is hitting those options. I own this stock. I do not own the options. Actually, I own the stock, and I've been selling calls against it since the stock was about 21. I'll continue to own this stock for a very long time unless something in the storyline closes, because I think they're going to catch up and pass Starbucks in China.
Okay, guys, good stuff.